Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to increase or decrease the brightness on your screen or of your screen, press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the watch settings and tap on it. And once you enter the settings, find the display and brightness and select it. And here we have the brightness option. Tap on it, it will open this page, and here you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons on the or rather above or below the slider. And as you can see, we have only 3 levels of brightness. We have the lowest one, the middle one, and the highest one. So select the one you like, and then press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, like this. And basically that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.